wheels, like this is the only hubcap that isn't broken, has big chunks out of it. This is the only nice one, and it's still got scratches and stuff on it. You can see the rusty wheel behind it. So actually I have the one taken off over here because we were test fitting new hubcaps. So you know, the wheel is nice and rusty behind there, so we're gonna paint that. That's what we're gonna do today. And that one was like super broke out, so it kind of looked like this one back here. And the customer just wants it to look nice. It's only got 70,000 miles on it, so he wants it to look like it's got 70,000 miles on it. You can see that the wheel just has a little bit of rust, like where the hubcap was open basically, so salt probably got in there. I have a little drill, and it's just a wire brush end, so you can use a regular wire brush if you got that. I'm just going to hit those a little bit, and then I'll show you the next step. Alright guys, sorry about that. I had to change the battery out. Oh yeah, now we got her going. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little purple power on here to help get rid of some of the brake dust and stuff. And I just have a gallon jug I cut in half. And it's got water in it. And then this is just a like a Brillo pad type thing, like a scuff pad. And then basically what this is doing is it's scuffing it so the paint will stick, and you're also cleaning it so that you're not painting over top of brake dust, because that won't stick very well. So we're cleaning and scuffing at the same time. Then what you want to do is you want to dump all that goop off. And you just want to rinse it off. And then just let it sit up like that, facing towards the sun, and the sun will dry it. So the next step we're going to do is just get a little bit of brake clean here, and we're just going to hose it off a little bit for an extra cleaning step. And that'll evaporate pretty quickly, and we'll go on to the next cleaning. As next, you want to get some wax and grease remover and put it on a rag. I'm using a blue towel, but you can use whatever you want. And just go to town. Clean everything you're going to paint. That way the paint will adhere. You can see, look how many times I cleaned it, and look what's coming off. So you really want to make sure you get this step pretty good, guys, and get in all the you know, nooks and crannies you can get into without getting too ridiculous with it. Alright, so we did it one time, and I switched my rag around a couple times. You can see it's pretty dirty. So I'm actually going to do it a second time, which I recommend you guys doing as well. So your last step is paint. You can tape this off, you can tape that off. I've seen people put like index cards around to protect the tire, but I actually cut a little template out. Let me see if I can show you guys on here. Can you see that? Yeah, so basically just go to town. Alright, so we got the outside painted. We're going to paint this inside brim. And then we're going to flip around and we're going to paint the other part of the inside. And I mean, it's nothing fancy here, boys. Just get the paint on the wheel and keep it off of other stuff that you don't want it on. Like if you have cars nearby, move them, move yourself. You know, pretty much do whatever you gotta do. Alright, we'll let that dry for a little bit and come back for a top coat. Alright guys, I forgot to mention that I got this awesome show quality spray paint. Walmart, 96 cents I think it went up to. Best spray paint you can buy. And here we go. We're just gonna do a last little touch up if we missed anything. It's ready to go on the car. Check out that link in the description. That will get you to my wife's decal business, which supports the channel, Etsy and eBay. Also hit that like button. Guys, subscribe because we have some awesome stuff coming. I hope this helped you. So we'll see you on the next video, guys. Thanks for watching.